Hello Leo, you are tuned into Ruhani Guidance and this is your weekly prediction from 17th August to 23rd August 2020. Please take whatever resonates and leave the rest as these are general energies and may or may not resonate with you. If you want a personalized reading, please reach to me. My email is mentioned in the description box below. Looking into your energies for the week, Leo, you've got 7 of Cups and the Rebel. You've been wanting something for very long, for a lot more than you can desire, and you can actually be extremely rebellious about it. But again, this is something that you need to be careful about, because this may or may not be something that will be for your higher good. Something may not be as it is promised, and you will have to move out of the option phase and take a decision in regards to this. However, before you take a decision, please think twice and only then be ready to take a decision about it. On the love front, you've got 8 of Pentacles and the Creator. You may be working very, very hard, just in work, in life, and you might not be paying a lot of attention to your partner, because you definitely see a long-term potential with this partner and you want to have it all before you commit to this person. But now is also the time that you commit to this person, in terms of love, in terms of romance, because all work and no play makes Tom a dull boy. And the Ace of Wands actually indicates the King of Wands actually indicates a person who looks at long-term sustainability, but also someone who takes an action. So you really need to take an action here, and you need to show them the love that they deserve. On the work front, you've got Knight of Swords and the Lovers. So Knight of Swords here indicates that you could be taking the first step. You could have a success mindset this week, and you really will move out, and you will be on a mission to achieve whatever you want. However, this can also indicate that you will have to move into the zone of communication. You need to advertise, publicize whatever you are into, in case your social media game is not as strong as you would like it to be. Social media again can draw a lot of sales for you, but then that could be something where you are lacking. So this week you should also focus on that and concentrate and bring out some potential gains from that. Also, this could indicate that you are on a success mindset, but there are 2 options in front of you that you could be selecting from. Whatever these options are, again, you will have to be careful in terms of what you want. If these are 2 new job opportunities, you want to move out of this current job, I understand, but the other one that is actually looking very lucrative may or may not be something that is actually being put up as. So be very careful with whatever you do, Leo, because the cards indicate that clearly. On the health front, you've got 5 of Pentacles and the Hanged Man. So 5 of Pentacles here indicates that you could have issues with talking, with your throat, with your teeth, something to do with unhealthy weight loss or malnutrition. It could also mean that you could have issues with breathing, and just a lot of toxic energies within you. This could also mean that you feel stuck in a situation, and that is taking a toll on your health. Also could indicate a nervous breakdown or respiratory issues due to a lot of nervousness, a lot of thinking, a lot of contemplating. I would really suggest you to keep crystals for your solar plexus and your sacral chakra, and this will actually help you benefit a lot more. This is a citrine, and this will actually help you a lot more to get over these energies, very heavy energies, Leo. Looking at the advices, stay true to yourself, and it is safe for you to love. So Leo, if this resonates with you, please write to me in the comment section below, and until I do the next reading, stay home, stay safe, and stay tuned to Ruhani Guidance.